As you may be aware that English is a common language, it's not only for international business, but also of all kind of communication worldwide. This means that it is useful for understanding and being able to share common experiences and references with your colleagues. It is the language of international business and communication. If you wanted a decent job anywhere in the world, you needed to be a proficient in this language. If you are not able to speak language or just someone who has difficulties with it, you may be wondering why you should put your time and energy into perfecting your English for business. Why must you should give your greater importance than any other language? Because in these competitive days, English is a common language for international business. I have prepared few topics, a few points which I would like to share. The first point is it will help you to communicate better with your colleagues. How? Working in an office means teamwork and collaboration. Even if you are an introvert means someone who prefer to spend more time alone. You will have to interact with your colleagues, and that will be a difficult if you don't know how to interact, how to speak, how to communicate. It is the worst case scenario. It may even lead to misunderstanding that might put your job at stake. Similarly, you need to know that right people to get the best job or a promotion at work. For that, you need superior networking skills, learning business English. Now, what is business English? Business English is a combination of speaking and written. Now, here comes the second point. It is important for delivering presentation and speeches. It is the most important part that you have to deliver presentation and speeches in the corporate sectors. As I mentioned before, business English is important for effective communication. You cannot deliver a presentation to your team or to be in charge of a board meeting, or if you cannot speak or if you cannot communicate. So you need to speak the common tongue. As you might be aware that a lot of people in these days knows only business, international business language. This means English, common English. So you thought that your idea is clear and logical, and how you will make to understand and respond to the people, or just having a great idea is giving your great idea is enough or not. The important way here again it comes that important way is how you communicate and how you deliver your speeches and how you deliver your presentations if you don't know the language. Language means both communication and written. Now here comes the third point. The good pronunciation always make a good first impression. As you may already aware of this, that speaking and writing business English are two different skills. You may write well, but unless you can't speak clearly and fluently, you are unlikely to make an impact in the workplace. People do judge you by the way you speak. This is the most interesting point. Now here we comes to again another point. It is a travel. It allows you to travel. How it comes to the corporate sector. If you are working in the corporate sectors and you dream of working in an international company or traveling around the world for business or work or study or anything else, English is the again most common language, which is most likely to be understand by and communicate with strangers. After all, you don't want to get into a situation where you are in a foreign country and no one can understand you. Finally, we come to the last point. It allows you to express yourself in a language that everyone understands. As I mentioned before, English is the language of international business and communication of the world. Due to westernization and globalization, so being fluent in English and essential to survival strategically in today's competitive world, it is automatically improve your chance of climbing the corporate ladder. The way you speak and communicate is also linked to your interpersonal skills, leadership quality, and level of ability to relate to other people. So mastering the language will help you to master all the soft skills and life skills you need to success in the workplace too. So hope this speeches help you to improve and understand how why English is important in corporate sectors and what to do to improve yourself. In my sense, how I can suggest you, you have to read books because books are very knowledgeable. Books give you more interesting things. You give your time to give your time in readings, spending time in reading books. Start using some of the unknown words you read. And lastly, practice, 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 and practice. Practice make man's perfect.
Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and learning updates.